The blinking blue light on your Sceptre curved monitor indicates a specific problem. Your monitor is receiving power but cannot establish a stable connection with your input device. As of 2025, this is a common issue affecting about 15 to 20% of Sceptre monitor users within the first few years. The good news is that it's usually a simple fix, with 60% of cases being cable-related problems. First, check all cable connections. Make sure your HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA cables are securely plugged into both the monitor and your device. Different cable types include HDMI for most modern connections, DisplayPort for high refresh rate displays, and VGA for older systems. Inspect the cables for any visible damage like bent pins or loose connections. Try swapping the cable with a known working one to rule out a faulty cable. Finally, ensure your source device, like your PC, laptop, or console, is powered on and outputting a signal. Use the monitor's menu button to cycle through input modes and select the correct input source. These basic steps resolve most blinking blue light issues. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the blinking blue light, advanced techniques can reset your monitor's internal state and restore proper communication. First, unplug your monitor from the power outlet and wait 30 to 60 seconds. This allows internal capacitors to fully discharge. While the monitor remains unplugged, hold down the power button for 10 seconds. This drains any residual power and resets internal components. Finally, reconnect the power cable and turn on your monitor. This complete power cycle often resolves communication issues between the monitor and your computer. If power cycling doesn't work, try a factory reset through your monitor's on-screen display menu. This restores all settings to their original defaults. According to monitor technicians, a blinking blue light is rarely a sign of monitor failure. Instead, it indicates a communication breakdown between your monitor and computer. For gaming setups with high refresh rates, cable quality is crucial. Use HDMI 2.1 or DisplayPort cables to support 144 Hz and higher refresh rates without communication issues. Windows 11 users should ensure display drivers are current, as recent updates have caused compatibility issues with some monitors. Update through Device Manager or your graphics card manufacturer's software. As a final step, check Sceptre's official website for firmware updates specific to your monitor model. These updates can resolve compatibility issues and improve overall performance.